Okay, so following on from the endowment type question, this is now you have a certain present value and you want to take out a certain amount of money from that present value, a regular amount for regular intervals. If you are receiving a certain percentage, compounding percentage on that initial investment, how long will that initial investment last with you taking out these regular payments from the investment? So example 1.16, a retiree has $300,000 to invest in a pension. He wishes to receive a monthly payment of $3,000. The fund is paying 6% per annum compounded monthly. How long will the $300,000 last? Okay, so let's have a look. We want to know what N per equals. Okay, so it's compounding monthly, so we've got 6.0% compounding monthly. We are wanting to take out $3,000 a month, so it's a negative $3,000 is the payments. The present value is $300,000. The future value will be 0 and type will be 0. So that tells us it will last 138 months. We need to divide that by 12 to get the years. It will last us 11 years. 11.858 years to be more precise.